but it costs 88,000 pounds, about the same as just one Range Rover. So on a pound per axle basis, the Shaman is a steal.
In this day and age, cars have been more than a means of transportation. Although primarily used as a mode of transportation, some cars have become a status symbol that's been going around for quite some time now. Celebrities, athletes, and high-end profiles clamored to get their hands on the latest releases, with the best engine, top-notch speed, you name it. But of course, there's more to being a car than being a mode of transportation or a status symbol. Car owners all need to take into consideration the safety of the driver and its passengers. For today's topic of discussion, we'll be talking about the strongest cars you had no idea existed. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back once again to our channel. For today's video, we'll be discussing the strongest cars in the market right now. For those of you who are looking up models with the safest rating, we'll also include some cars with the strongest bodies. So to know more, make sure you watch till the very end, and like this video, and subscribe to our channel with the notification bell on. For starters, let's talk about the safest cars on today's list. US News released a list of top-rated cars with a high safety score, which is based on crash test results from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, along with the number of advanced safety features included as standard equipment. The 2020 Toyota Camry. Starting the list of safest cars out there is the 2020 Toyota Camry. This mid-size sedan was awarded as the 2020 Best Mid-Size Car for the Money and is an excellent all-around car. From its good fuel economy to its comfortable ride, the 2020 Toyota Camry earned a perfect score of 5 in all 3 crash tests performed by the NHTSA. The IIHS awarded the 2020 Camry its highest rating of good in all 6 crash test categories, and it was also awarded the highest rating of superior for front crash prevention. The 2020 Toyota Camry is available for purchase in the market with a starting price of $24,425. The 2020 Honda Insight. Next on the list is another car model that managed to get a perfect 10 out of 10 at the USN safety score. The 2020 Honda Insight has an excellent fuel economy and has good overall scores in the US News hybrid car ranking. The Insight's long list of standard safety equipment includes a rear-view camera and driver drowsiness monitoring, along with the Honda Sensing suite of safety features including collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist. Available equipment includes parking sensors and the Honda Lane Watch blind spot monitoring system. You can avail of a 2020 Honda Insight for the price of $22,930. 2020 Kia Optima. Equipped with a spacious and lavish interior, the 2020 Kia Optima is a mid-size sedan that also earned a perfect score at the US News Safety Score, as was chosen as a finalist for its 2020 Best Mid-Size Car for the Money Award. Its base models are equipped as standard with a rear-view camera, lane keep assist, lane change assist, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, forward automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a driver drowsiness monitor. The Optima's available safety features include adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, automatic high beam headlights, pedestrian detection, and a 360-degree parking camera. The 2020 Kia Optima is available for purchase in the market for $23,190. The 2020 Subaru Impreza. A comfortable ride with a roomy and spacious interior, the 2020 Subaru Impreza is among the 4 finalists for the 2020 Best Midsize Car for the Money Award. It scored a stellar 10 out of 10 safety score and was named a Top Safety Pick Plus by the IIHS, its highest accolade. The Impreza scored the top rating of good in all 6 IIHS crash tests and a superior rating for the effectiveness of its crash protection features. The NHTSA gave the 2020 Impreza an overall safety rating of 5 out of 5 stars. Among the 4, it's also the most affordable, with a starting price of $18,695. Since we're talking about safety, we'll also include on today's list the 10 best armored vehicles in the world which are allowed for civilian use. Avtoros Shaman 8x8. One of the biggest armored cars being manufactured today, the Avtoros Shaman 8x8 is a Russian ATV with its body fully armored with a very handsome interior. This vehicle has an F1 C3-liter turbo diesel engine that boasts a maximum power of 146 horsepower and a 350 Nm torque. It has a maximum speed of 70 km per hour and can also run on water with a speed of 5 km per hour. You can purchase an Avtoros Shaman 8x8 for the price of $240,000 and is the cheapest among today's list of the most heavily armored vehicles. The Marauder. A rugged and robust 4x4 car, the Marauder is designed to handle a load of up to 450,000 kilograms and it's known for its cross-country agility and speed. The vehicle is also equipped with level 3 protection, which can protect up to 8 kilograms of TNT. The Marauder comes in 3 variants: the APC, Armored, and Ambulance. The APC can be bought by common folk and does not require a special permit, assuming you have a budget allocated for this bad boy with its price tag of $485,000. Range Rover Sentinel. If you look at this model from the outside, it looks just like any regular SUV, but it packs a whole lot more than it looks. It's equipped with underfloor blast protection as well as roof blast protection that's designed to withstand explosive blasts by ERV 2010 and PAS 300s. A perfect ride for VIPs and high-profile figures. You've probably seen this model used in action movies. The Range Rover Sentinel is designed by the Special Vehicle Operations team of Range Rover. The team made sure to protect the passengers and driver of the vehicle from IED blasts and bullets with its armored glass, which is fully incorporated into the vehicle, meeting European standard VPAM BRV 2009 VR8 and PAS 300. This vehicle can also run on flat tires. With its flat tire system, with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, the Range Rover Sentinel is available for purchase at a starting price of $500,000. Teradyne Gurkha. A tactical armored vehicle manufactured by Teradyne Armored Vehicles Incorporated in Ontario, Canada, the Teradyne Gurkha is available in 3 different variants, each of them built on a Ford F550 chassis, a 4x4 car. This model protects both the passengers and the driver from landmine blasts and bullets, and has a 6.8-liter V8 turbo diesel engine, and you can purchase a Teradyne Gurkha for around $700,000. Conquest Knight. Next on the list, we have the Conquest Knight 15, a fully armored and handcrafted SUV with a heavy price tag of $799,000. It is a 6.8-liter V10 biofuel-powered SUV. The design draws heavy inspiration from military vehicles with its aim to protect the riders from explosive blasts, landmines, grenade attacks, and bullets. BMW 760 Li High Security. BMW is known for producing a variety of high-end luxury cars, but it also has a secure and armored vehicle under its roster of models. The BMW 760 Li High Security is a car equipped with VR7 ballistic protection. It's commonly used by high-profile individuals and is known for its many high-end security and safety features, which include an attack alarm, an onboard firing system, run-the-flat tire system, emergency flash air system, emergency exit, and a self-sealing fuel tank. This car also comes with a high-end price of $12 million. Aurus Senate Limousine. With its design developed by NAMI in Moscow, the Aurus Senate Limousine is powered by a 6.6-liter V12 engine and was first unveiled during the Moscow International Automobile Salon back in September of 2018. Limited specifications were shared with the public, and it includes VR8 ballistic protection with a whopping price of $1.4 million. Darts Motors Prom Run. Available in several armor levels from B2 to B7, the Darts Motors Prom Run B7 protection level stops various armored piercing rounds fired from super high-velocity rifles, even some sniper rifles. It can also withstand attacks from a rocket-propelled grenade. The vehicle makes use of the AMG V12 engine that allows the vehicle to attain a maximum speed of 250 km per hour and is sold at the price of $1.47 million. Cadillac Beast Limousine. Famously known to be used by the U.S. Secret Service, the Cadillac Beast Limousine specs are not much known as a safety precaution for the users. The vehicle is known to be heavily armored and weighs around 20,000 pounds and can accommodate 7 people inside. Like the others, the Cadillac Beast Limousine is designed to withstand bullet and blast attacks, as well as chemical and biological attacks. The thickness of the windows of this vehicle is believed to be 3 inches, whereas the steel and ceramic armor of the vehicle can measure up to 8 inches. And of course, the Cadillac Beast Limousine costs a heavy price of $1.5 million per unit. Mercedes-Benz S600 Pullman Guard. Finally, we have the Mercedes-Benz S600 Pullman Guard. Mercedes-Benz is known to manufacture a lot of high-end cars and is categorized as a luxury car model, but it also has within its models a heavily armored vehicle. The Mercedes-Benz S600 Pullman is known to be the most protected vehicle in the world, with the protection of VR9, the highest level of ballistic protection that can withstand anything from M60 machine gun fire to explosive charges. It is certified for blast resistance by Directive ERV. This car was specifically made by special order and weighs 5.6 tons. The Mercedes-Benz S600 Pullman Guard is known to be used by North Korean President Kim Jong-un, as well as Russian President Vladimir Putin. And with that, we're concluding today's video about the strongest cars you had no idea existed. If you're planning on getting a car but are deeply concerned with safety, hopefully this list served you well. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button on our video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this. And when you subscribe, don't forget to click that alarm bell, so you'll be notified as soon as we uploaded fresh videos on our channel. Thanks for watching today's episode, and we'll see you again next time.